Now, grade 8, we are going to start our written work. Before we go to the register, turn to page number 33 and come to vocabulary. Page number 33 vocabulary, you have to match the words with their meanings from the text. ये सारे words जो हैं ये text में दिए हैं, आपने इनको इन meaning से match करना होगा. टेलीग्राफ, टेलीग्राफ किसे कहते हैं? सिग्नल करना. जैसे स्टोरी में एक ब्रदर ने दूसरे को सिग्नल करा था हैट से, सो यू हैव टू मैच टेलीग्राफ विद सिग्नल. सेकेंड, मेल कोच, जो कोच हॉर्स कोच दैट कैरीज लेटर्स, जो हॉर्स कोच लेटर्स लेके जाती है उसको मेल कोच कहा जाता है. नंबर 3, कॉलर, किसी को कॉलर करना, हॉर्स को कॉलर करा मीन्स टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ द हॉर्स. इंक्लाइंड, इंक्लाइंड मीन्स टू मेक अ माइंड of a mind. Faithful, faithful here means deathly. Noble, noble means heroic. Sobs, रोने को sobs कहते हैं, it is crying. Turf, grass को turf कहते हैं. And score, score इसके अंदर स्कोर का मतलब है चैप्टर में टेयर करना, फाड़ना. तो ग्रास को टेयर करा था, ग्रास को स्कोर कर दिया था उस मेयर ने. नाउ कम टू योर रजिस्टर. फर्स्ट इन द इंडेक्स यू हैव टू राइट टुडेज डेट एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर, दैट इज रेस्क्यू. Now turn to a new page after the index. This entire page will be your title page where you will write Unit 2 Text 1 Rescue by Rolf Boldrewood. The entire page will only have the title page. Then turn to the next page. On the next page you have to make a web. Inside the web you will write rescue and write 5 points from the chapter which I have explained. You can write any points which you can remember. Then come to the third page. Write today's date, classwork and day, that is 4th August, classwork Wednesday. We'll make the chapter summary. You can use both black and blue pens. Here I am only using a blue pen, but you can use both. Heading will be chapter summary, and in this chapter what are we going to do? We are going to do handwriting, then we'll do word meanings, then long question answers, short question answers, and then reference to the context. Next, come to a new page, write date, classwork Wednesday, put the heading of handwriting and do one page of handwriting. Start with paragraph 5 of the chapter. Leave a line and do it very neatly and beautifully. This is your handwriting page. Your practice handwriting in this page, so make it very neat and beautiful. Then come to the next page. We will write classwork, date and day once again. Heading will be word meanings. The first word is mare. What does mare means? Mare means a female horse. Second word is gorge. Gorge is a narrow valley with steep sides. Okay, basically it is a very steep V. Third, fidgeting. Fidgeting means restless. The horse was very fidgeting. The horse was very restless. Brute. Brute means a cruel animal. The mare is called a brute in the chapter. Next, saddle. Saddle is the seat of the horse. Jim had raised Miss Falkland from the saddle. Brink, edge of a steep. The edge of the valley, the edge of a steep downslope is called a brink. Then comes derby. What does derby means? Derby is a race of horses. Miss Falkland's mare ran as if it was running in a derby. He didn't realize he's going to die. He felt scared and ran as if he was in a derby. And number 8, choke, when you have severe difficulty in breathing. She was choking because of tears, Miss Falkland. Next, come to a new page, write classwork, date and day, and you have to do the long question answers. The 2 questions are given. You have to search the long answers from the text and write them in your own words. First question says, what did the mare do after being frightened? जब वो mare डर गई थी, जब वो horse डर गया था, what did it do? What did it try to do? So you have to write what did it do after getting frightened and do mention how it got frightened. Begin करना आप अपना आंसर. वो mare कैसे डरा था? एक dry branch गिर गई थी tree से, that in front of that mare, and then it ran like a bolt. You have to mention that complete scenario. Second question says, how did Jim save Miss Falkland? When you read the chapter you will realize Jim किस तरह से उन्होंने save करा. Start with the telegraph. Dick ने उनको telegraph करा था. He realized there was danger, so he rode his horse, he ran, he went to side, he raised her from the saddle. You have to write this entire thing. After that you finish the question and answers. Come to a new page. On the new page, you have to do the short question and answers. First question says, what frightened the mare? How did the mare get frightened? You have to write that. It should be in only 2 and 3 lines, not more than that. Second question, why did the brothers go after Miss Falkland? Why did both the brothers go after Miss Falkland? Number 3, how did the brothers signal each other in emergency? उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया था इमरजेंसी में वो कैसे एक दूसरे को सिग्नल करेंगे? एंड नंबर 4, what happened to the mare in the end? You have to mention मेयर का एंड में क्या हुआ था. Then the last task is RTC, reference to the context. First one says they'll both be over. Who said this and to whom? Where is the line taken from? Why will they both die? If you turn to page number 30 in paragraph 4, you can see the line is given here. They'll both be over. Okay, the line is given here in paragraph 4. Read this line, read the paragraph, and then attempt the RTC. After you read the line, you will realize who said this and to whom. You have to write the name that the young shearer who used to live near the plainland said this to Dick Marston's. Second question is, where is the line taken from? You have to write the line is taken from the chapter Rescue by the writer's name. And why will they both die? You have to explain in your own words. Second, RTC says, you are a noble fellow. Who said this and to whom? Where is the line taken from? Why is he a noble fellow? When you turn to page number 31 in paragraph 5, you can see the line is given here. You are a noble fellow. The line is given here. You are a noble fellow. Father of Miss Falkland, that is Mr. Falkland, said this line to James Marston. Again, when the line is taken from the chapter Rescue by the name of the writer, you have to mention. And then, why is he a noble fellow? Why does the father call that person a noble fellow? You have to write it in your own words. Next video we'll start with a grammar lesson next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.